Hey everyone, so let's talk about Kittl. Kittl is one of those design platforms that feels like it was built for people who want great looking graphics without diving into complicated professional software. When you open it, the first thing you notice is how clean and easy everything feels. You can drag things around, adjust text, play with colors, and build designs pretty quickly, even if you're not someone who considers themselves a designer. A lot of people like it because it gives you enough creative control to make something unique without overwhelming you with technical tools. One of the areas where Kittl really shines is typography. The text controls, the effects, the textures, and the presets all make it incredibly easy to make beautiful lettering for logos, posters, merch, or print-on-demand designs. And because it handles vectors, your designs stay sharp and clean, even when you scale them. The built-in templates help a lot too, not just basic ones, but ones that actually look modern and well-crafted so you don't feel like you're starting from scratch unless you want to. Kittl also has AI features built in, like background removal, generating artwork, enhancing images, turning drawings into vector graphics, and even creating mockups. These tools don't feel like gimmicks, they're genuinely useful when you want to speed up a design or get a concept out of your head and onto the screen faster. If you're someone working with print on demand, small business branding, YouTube thumbnails, t-shirts, stickers, or social graphics, that kind of convenience makes a difference. That said, Kittl isn't perfect. If you're someone who needs deep professional export options or complex file formats, you may hit the limits sooner than you expect. Heavy designs with many layers can slow down a bit since everything runs in the browser, and the template library, while good, is smaller compared to huge platforms that have been around for years. And if you rely on the AI tools constantly, you'll eventually feel the push toward upgrading, because the free AI usage only goes so far. The best way to think of Kittl is this. It's ideal for creators, small businesses, beginners, side hustlers, and anyone who wants to make clean, beautiful visuals without struggling with complicated software. It gives you enough power to create an impressive work while keeping the overall process fast and enjoyable. But if you're a professional designer who needs endless export options, advanced control over every tiny element, or big complex files, then you might treat Kittl more as a companion tool than a full replacement. If you want, I can also rewrite this in a more energetic YouTube-style script, longer or more conversational, or blend it into the rest of your other reviews.